Hi everyone, welcome back to another one of my cryptocurrency update videos. My voice is feeling a little bit better now. It's still awful, so please bear with me, and if it's annoying you, then don't worry, because it's annoying me as well. So weekly time frame Vechain today we are covering, guys. Obviously we're anticipating the weekly close tonight, and at the moment it's looking kind of negative because we've got that shooting star bearish candle here that is formed on the weekly, which is very obviously, the weekly time frame is a really accurate time frame, and it's more significant basically. And this candle means it's very significant if it's on the weekly time frame, and it's a bearish continuation candle. Another really bad thing I hope cannot happen completely is this bearish cross. 20 going under the 55 moving average is never really a good sign, especially on the weekly, as I just said. Higher time frame, more significance, not what we want to see. We really need to see a reverse on this. We need to see us staying above this weekly yellow support here, switching up this candle. We want some more body in this area, like ASAP, before this close tonight. So important, guys. Else it's really not looking good. You know, after that, let's add some fibs to see where we could go if we do lose that level. I'm hoping we don't, obviously. I'm just reading what I see on the charts. I'm not biased in any way, shape or form. Swing low to swing high. And there we go. You can see there, we're just above the 1 right now, and we know that if we can stay above the 1, then yeah, it's looking a bit more positive. Maybe we can switch this trend up. However, losing the 1 would indicate going to the 1618 as 0.026 cent. Not particularly great, because that means we've lost this huge weekly support here. We could get stopped out at the 1.272 or the 1.414. But for now, we just need to get above that one fib level here, guys. That price is at 0.055 cents, so keep an eye on that price for the rest of the day. If we can close above that, then yeah, it's good signs. If we can get more body on this candle, even better. And obviously if we can invalidate this bearish cross, that would be amazing, because obviously bearish cross signalling downtrend, signalling bear market, just not good. Obviously we're looking out for Bitcoin in this moment as well, because whatever Bitcoin does, the charts will most likely follow, okay? Not all the time, but pretty much most of the time, because Bitcoin owns most of our crypto market, okay? A huge percentage of it. Okay, anyway, so that's the weekly, guys. Let's have a look on the daily. So we saw on the daily here, we had our ascending triangle here, broke out and hit our target to that, actually, which is a positive thing, you know. Now we're retracing back down. Now, what could be happening here? We could be retracing back to, if I drag this line into the future, well, just into now, you can see we're just retesting that breakout line here for our ascending triangle. So are we just retesting for continuation? Because we do have a nice uptrend right here on this line here. So, you know, that's a positive on the daily time frame. It's not looking so bad as long as we can stay above this weekly yellow support, which I always talk about. I've had it on there for months now. So significant to stay above this for continuation to the upside. Another thing for by the end of the day or in a few days, getting back above this 20 moving average would also be great, because we know that we use our 20 moving average as a trend line, or I do. So that'd be great to get back above that, switching this trend, invalidating this as a fake out, because it does look like a fake out at the moment, because we broke straight back under. So if we can break back above, then maybe we can invalidate this, and this maybe was a fake out. But obviously, to me, especially these last 2 daily candles, quite an indecision here, 2 dojis. So there's some indecision in the market here. Could switch either way, but we know it could always switch either way. And because of that shooting star on the weekly, that bearish candle, is proving to me that, yeah, maybe we are actually going to head down slightly further. So that could mean just coming back down to this line here. Maybe we're even going to break back into our falling wedge here. We've just got to see how it plays out, guys. But as long as we're staying above 0.057 cent, getting above our 20 moving average, yeah, I'm still positive for Vechain, okay? Let's just add a fib on here. So I'm going to go from swing low here to swing high. And you can see here, as I've just said, this is more confluence, and I did not do these fibs before I did this. You saw that. And we can see here that I said we may come and retest this. Well, that lines up with the 0.618, which is great confluence for me that we're going to come to this level, and hopefully we're going to reject it and head back up. Obviously, losing the 0.618 here is very negative for Vechain. That means we're going to head to the 1 here, back to these previous lows, back into this falling wedge. Falling wedge is a bullish pattern, okay? Just when it breaks out, we don't know that, you know. Anyway, so next target would be 0.049 cent. Lose that, then we're heading all the way down here to 0.039 cent, and I really don't want to be seeing those sort of prices, guys. Not at the moment. It's a bit worrying, especially with all the fundamentals. So the 1 fib level, I would be okay to see it come down to, because we're retesting previous lows here. But obviously, ultimately, I would love the 0.618, 0.056 cent to hold for Vechain on the daily time frame. Okay, guys? So I've given you some prices to look out for, some scenarios. So hopefully we can stay positive. But if not, don't panic, guys. You know, it's just the charts. This is just what you have to put up with if you want to be a cryptocurrency investor and trader. But anyway, guys, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.